Lost keys at home.
Emma, have you seen my keys anywhere?
Not today. Where did you put them last night?
I thought I put them on the small table near the door.
The table is empty now. Did you check your coat pocket?
Yes, I checked both pockets. They are not there.
Maybe they are in your bag. You carried your laptop bag yesterday.
Good idea. Let me look inside. I can see my notebook, my charger, and my wallet, but no keys.
Stay calm. When did you use them last?
I used them when I came home after work.
Then they must be inside our house.
I hope so. I need to leave in 15 minutes.
Let's check one place at a time. First, the kitchen.
I only see cups and plates here.
What about the chair near the window?
Wait, there is something under the chair.
Is it your key ring?
No, it is only a coin.
Did you change clothes in your room?
Yes, I did. Maybe they are on my desk.
I will stand here and look near the sofa.
I found my sunglasses, but not the keys.
Look between the sofa cushions.
Oh, here they are. They were deep inside the sofa.
Great. Now you can leave on time.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
No worries. Next time, use the small bowl by the door.
I will. That bowl is now my key place.
Good. Your morning will be easier tomorrow.
You are right. I do not want to panic every morning.
Then start with one simple habit today.
Supermarket. Price. Question.
Excuse me, I have a question about this cereal.
Sure. What would you like to know?
The shelf says $3, but the screen says $4.
Let me check the label for you.
Thank you. I do not want to pay the wrong price.
Of course. The yellow label says $3 until today.
So the lower price is correct?
Yes, it is. The register did not update yet.
That is good to know.
I will change the price here before you pay.
Thank you. I also have apples and milk.
Okay, the apples are by weight.
I picked 4 red apples. Are they on sale too?
Yes, they are $2 a pound today.
Great. I am trying to stay under $20.
Your total is looking good so far.
Can I use this store card?
Yes, please scan it here.
It says the card is not reading.
Try one more time slowly.
There it goes. Now it worked.
Perfect. The discount is on the screen now.
How much is the total?
Your total is $14.60.
That is fine. I will pay by card.
Please tap your card on the reader.
Done.
Here is your receipt. The cereal price is correct now.
Thank you for checking it.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
I am happy I asked instead of staying quiet.
Yes, it is always okay to ask about a price.
I will check my receipt before I leave.
That is a smart habit for every shopping trip.
City bus card.
Hi, I need a city bus card, please.
Sure. Do you want a new card or money added to an old card?
I need a new card. I just moved to this city.
Welcome. The new card costs $2.
Okay. How much money should I put on it first?
Many people start with $10. That is enough for several rides.
That sounds good. I will add $10.
Great. Do you take the bus every day?
I will take it to work in the morning.
Then this card will be useful.
How do I use it on the bus?
When you get on, tap the card on the small green machine.
Do I need to tap again when I get off?
No, only when you get on the bus.
That is simple. Can I use the same card for the tram?
Yes, this card works on buses and trams.
Perfect. Is there an app for checking the balance?
Yes, the app name is printed on the back of the card.
Good. Can I add money at the station too?
Yes, at the machines, at this desk, or in the app.
I will pay with cash today.
That is fine. $12 total, including the card.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your card and your receipt.
Great. Which bus goes to River Street?
Bus 14 goes there. The stop is outside on the right.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy the city.
Does bus 14 come often in the morning?
Yes, it usually comes every 10 minutes during busy hours.
That is helpful. I will try it tomorrow.
Check the app before you leave, just in case.
Table tennis match.
Emma, are you ready for one more game?
I am ready, but you are playing very well today.
I practiced a little after school yesterday.
I can tell. Your serve is faster now.
Thanks. I still miss easy shots sometimes.
Everyone does. Let's play to 11 points.
Good. Do you want to serve first?
You can serve first. I want to watch your new serve.
Okay, here it comes.
Nice serve. I almost missed it.
That was lucky.
No, that was good practice.
The ball is moving fast today.
The table is clean, so the ball jumps better.
The score is 2-1, right?
Yes, you have 2. I have 1.
I need to remember the score this time.
I will help. We always forget when we talk.
True. Oh, that was a good shot.
Thank you. I aimed for the corner.
Now the score is 2-2.
This game feels close.
I like close games. They are more exciting.
Me too, but I get nervous at the end.
Same here. Let's keep it friendly.
Always, we are here to have fun.
Great return. I could not reach it.
Now I am ahead by 1 point.
I need a better plan.
Try to move your feet before you hit the ball.
Good advice. Ready?
Ready, let's finish the game.
Win or lose, this is good practice.
Exactly. Same time next week?
Yes, I would like that. Next time, I want to learn how to spin the ball.
We can practice that slowly. Spin is difficult at first.
I do not mind learning step by step.
That is the best way to get better.
Restaurant bill problem.
Excuse me, could you check my bill, please?
Of course. Is there a problem with it?
I think the total is a little too high.
Let me take a look. You had a chicken sandwich and water, correct?
Yes, that is right. I did not order soup.
I see soup on the bill. Did anyone bring soup to your table?
No, nobody did. I only asked about it, but I said no.
Thank you for explaining. That may be a mistake from another table.
I understand. I just wanted to ask before I paid.
That is completely fine. I will remove it now.
Thank you. I know mistakes can happen.
Yes, especially during lunchtime. It is very busy today.
The food was very good, by the way.
I am glad you enjoyed it.
The chicken sandwich was hot and fresh.
That is nice to hear. Here is the corrected bill.
Let me check it. Now it looks right.
The new total is $12.50.
Perfect. Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap your card here.
Done. Did it go through?
Yes, the payment is complete.
Great. Could I have a receipt, please?
Of course, here's your receipt.
Thank you for fixing the bill quickly.
You're welcome. Thank you for being patient.
No worries. Have a good afternoon.
You too. Please come again.
I am glad I checked the bill carefully.
Yes, checking the bill is normal. You asked very politely.
I will remember that phrase for next time.
Good. Clear questions make problems easy to fix.
Doctor appointment call.
Hello, I would like to make a doctor appointment.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat and a small fever.
I am sorry to hear that. How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday morning.
Do you have a cough as well?
Yes, but it is not very bad.
All right. Do you want to see the doctor today?
Yes, if there is an open time.
Let me check the schedule. We have an appointment at 3:30.
3:30 works for me.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you. Have you visited our clinic before?
Yes, I came last year for a checkup.
I found your file. Is your phone number still the same?
Yes, it is the same number.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Should I bring anything with me?
Bring your ID card and your insurance card.
Okay. Can I drink water before the appointment?
Yes, water is fine. Try to rest before you come.
Thank you, I will do that.
If your fever gets higher, please call us again.
I understand. I will watch it.
Your appointment is today at 3:30 with Dr. Green.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We will see you this afternoon.
Is there a place to wait inside the clinic?
Yes, we have a small waiting room near the front desk.
Should I wear a mask when I come in?
Yes, please wear one because you have a cough.
English exam listening practice.
Emma, can we practice listening for the English exam?
Yes, I brought the short audio from class.
Great. Listening is the hardest part for me.
Do not worry. We can practice slowly first.
Should I write the answers while I listen?
Yes, listen for the main idea first, not every word.
That is hard. I always try to understand everything.
I know, but beginners do not need every word.
Okay. What should I listen for?
Listen for names, places, times, and simple actions.
Names, places, times, and actions. Got it.
I will play the first part now.
Wait, let me get my pen.
Ready?
Yes, I am ready.
What did you hear?
I heard a woman talking about a train.
Good. Where was she going?
I think she was going to the city center.
Correct. What time was the train?
Was it 8:15?
Yes, very good.
I missed the last sentence.
That is okay. Let's listen again.
The second time feels easier.
Exactly. Practice helps your ears.
Should I practice every day?
10 minutes a day is enough.
I can do that after dinner.
Good plan. Tomorrow we can practice speaking.
Thank you, Emma. I feel less nervous now.
You're welcome. You are improving.
Can we write new words after each audio?
Yes, but only choose 5 useful words each time.
That sounds simple and not too much.
Exactly. Small notes are easier to remember.
First day at the gym.
Hi, this is my first day at this gym.
Welcome. I can help you get started.
Thank you. I am not sure what to do first.
First, please check in with your membership card.
Here it is. Do I scan it here?
Yes, scan it on the black reader.
It made a sound. Is that okay?
Yes, you are checked in now.
Great. Where are the lockers?
The lockers are down the hall on the left.
Do I need my own lock?
You can use your own lock or you can rent one at the desk.
I will rent one today.
Of course, it is $1.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is the lock and key.
Which machines are good for beginners?
The walking machines are a good start.
I do not want to do too much on the first day.
That is smart. Start with 10 or 15 minutes.
Should I stretch before or after?
A light stretch after your warm-up is good.
Are there water fountains here?
Yes, near the locker room and near the front desk.
Good. I brought a small towel too.
Perfect. Please wipe the machine after you use it.
I will. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Enjoy your first workout.
Is there a class for beginners here?
Yes, we have a beginner class on Tuesday evenings.
Maybe I can join next week.
You can sign up at the desk after your workout.
Museum closing time.
Excuse me, what time does the museum close today?
The museum closes at 6 o'clock.
Oh, it is already 5:15. Do I still have time to see the last room?
Yes, but you may need to move a little quickly.
Which room is the most important?
The Old City Room is very popular. It is on the second floor.
Is it far from here?
Not far. Take the stairs on your right, then turn left.
Thank you. Are photos allowed there?
Photos are allowed, but no flash, please.
I understand. I will turn the flash off.
Good. Also, the gift shop closes at 5:45.
I wanted to buy a small postcard.
Then you should visit the gift shop before the last room.
That makes sense. Where is the gift shop?
It is next to the main entrance.
So first the gift shop, then the Old City Room.
Yes, that is the best plan now.
Is my ticket still okay for the second floor?
Yes, your ticket is for all regular rooms.
Perfect. How long does the Old City Room take?
About 10 minutes if you look quickly.
Great, I can do that.
We will make an announcement 10 minutes before closing.
Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your visit.
Is the museum open tomorrow too?
Yes, tomorrow we open at 10 in the morning.
Then I may come back with more time.
That would be a good idea if you want to see everything.
Weekend hiking plan.
Emma, do you still want to go hiking this weekend?
Yes, I do. The weather looks nice on Saturday.
Great. I checked the trail map last night.
Which trail do you like?
The lake trail looks easy and not too long.
That sounds good for us. How long is it?
It is about 4 kilometers.
Perfect. We can walk slowly and take pictures.
Should we start in the morning?
Yes, maybe at 9. It will not be too hot.
Good idea. I can bring water and sandwiches.
I will bring fruit and a small blanket.
Do we need hiking shoes?
Comfortable shoes are enough for that trail.
What about jackets?
A light jacket is good. It may be windy near the lake.
Should we invite anyone else?
Maybe next time. This time, let's keep it simple.
I like that. We can enjoy a quiet walk.
Exactly. We both need a calm weekend.
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the park gate.
The gate near the bus stop.
Yes, that one. It is easy to find.
I will be there at 9.
Please do not forget your phone battery.
I will charge it before I leave.
Good. And bring a small bag for trash.
Good idea. We should keep the trail clean.
Saturday will be fun.
I am looking forward to it. Should we check the weather again on Friday night?
Yes, that is smart. The weather can change quickly.
If it rains, we can choose another weekend.
Exactly. Safety is more important than the plan.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.